press bell button for video alerts.
Conversation about discussing your grades with Professor.
I would like to talk to you about my grades.
Sure, what exactly do you have questions about?
I am worried that I messed up on a test.
Well, let me take a look at my grade book. How do you think you are doing?
I think I'm doing great, except for that one test.
Well, your scores show that you could do a little better. What do you think you could improve on?
I think that I could study a little harder for tests.
Fine. Please remember that regular attendance is the most important way to begin.
Yes, I know.
I'm sure you'll do fine.